Biodiversity Day, and every year, May 22nd, it is celebrated all over the world because this year's theme is water and biodiversity. You all know that the water is very, very important for us. Unfortunately, we are not taking care of that valuable resource, that is water. See, without water, we cannot do anything. For livelihood, for agriculture, for birds, butterflies, and all biodiversity, water is a must. So, we have to conserve this water. In order to give awareness on this water, today we are discussing all this with all the school children, the stakeholders like animal husbandry, agriculture, fisheries, and forest departments. And they all know, they should know that we are receiving water. Actually, we are today all the cities, especially Hyderabad, is facing the water problem, mainly because that we are not conserving water. Conserving in the sense that we should have the water harvesting pits in every colony, or in every house we should have a colony, one pit, and from that pit we should store the water inside so that we can use our own water all through the year. We need not depend on the water board or any other system. What is happening is that when we receive rainfall, we are just wasting it into the canals and rivers, and finally it goes to the sea, which is wasted. Nearly 95% of the water is wasted. So we are actually wasting water. Supposing if you utilize at least 10% of the water, I think we will be able to have our own water for our biodiversity conservation. So whenever there is a requirement, then we can have a bore well and utilize it by drip irrigation. So this way we can get better yields, better quality, better prices than irrigated fields. We need not look for irrigation. Even the policy makers like the government should also think on this. Then we should give encouragement for this kind of activity of water harvesting and water utilization. We have awareness to the people, and we are going to the villages and telling them that we should store the water in the... So nearly about 10 schools have come here, and about 260 NGOs have participated in this, and many more they have sent the messages that they were unable to participate. Government departments, all the departments like forestry, agriculture, animal husbandry, fisheries departments have participated, and they are going with the message that we should store, we should utilize the water safely, we should also save the water for the sake of biodiversity conservation. No, they are all dependent on this biodiversity. All companies, if you name any business, they are linked to biodiversity. Like seed industry or any raw material is required from the biodiversity only. Everything is biodiversity only. Right from birth to death and womb to tomb, we are depending on biodiversity. You name anything, right from the morning, you take coffee, it is having biodiversity. And in the night, you take lunch or dinner, we have biodiversity. So biodiversity is our life. So biodiversity is life.